In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Teachable account. If you've decided to close out your presence on Teachable, the process is quick, but it's also permanent. Deleting your school will remove your site and all of its content, so take a moment to be sure this is what you want. If there's anything you might need later, like course materials, media, or records, make sure you've already saved copies elsewhere, because once the school is gone, it can't be recovered. Let's begin inside your school admin. From the left-hand menu, open Settings. Within Settings, go to the General section and then select the Website tab. This is the area that controls your site-level details, including your school's name and domain. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your school's URL displayed on this page. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the website page. You'll find an option labeled Delete School. This is the command that removes the entire school from Teachable. Click Delete School. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you truly intend to proceed. To confirm the deletion, you'll be asked to type your school's URL. Enter the URL exactly as it appears in your settings. Pay attention to spelling, punctuation, and any subdomain. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so if the system doesn't accept what you typed, double-check that it matches the URL shown on the page. Once you've entered the correct URL, approve the deletion. When you confirm, Teachable will permanently remove the school and its content. That means your site will no longer be accessible, courses and pages will be deleted, and students will lose access to everything that was hosted there. This action cannot be undone. If you manage more than one school, make sure you're deleting the correct one before you confirm. It may help to glance at the school name and URL one last time to ensure you're in the right place. After the deletion completes, you can expect the school's public pages to stop loading, and you'll be signed out of that school's admin. If you ever decide to return to Teachable in the future, you would set up a new school from scratch. That's all there is to it. Go to Settings, open General, choose Website, scroll to the bottom, and select Delete School. Type your school's URL to confirm and approve the deletion. Thanks for watching, and take care.